LcBox by Jero Productions. Scope of delivery: 1 LcBox for brother cartridges LC600 and 800 series, 1 sealing for cartridge gate, 1 distance plate for clamping the cartridges. To prepare the refilling process, it is necessary to remove the cap of the cartridge. The cartridge has to be placed into the LcBox. Please make sure the bevel side of the cartridge is placed into the provided slot of the LcBox. The distance plate has to be placed exactly between the cartridge and the knurled screws. The right screw has to be tightened first, then the left screw. Please tighten the screws not too firm. You have obtained best possible conditions when the rubber seal is beginning to bend. Now prepare the Lure-Lock syringe with the desired quantity of ink. The syringe has to be connected to the Lure-Lock connector by clockwise rotation. Tighten the syringe by hand to obtain best sealing, but do not over-tighten. The cartridge can be refilled easily by starting with a long stroke movement of the plunger, in order to remove air out of the cartridge. Make sure there is no air bubble left prior to refilling. Start the refilling process by pushing the plunger of the syringe constantly until the required quantity has been filled in. Please watch the saturation level of sponge inside the cartridge and stop the refilling process before ink is leaking through the cartridge ventilation hole. When refilling this type of cartridges, please make sure not to have air bubbles left in the beveled area of the cartridges after refilling, otherwise the printer is not able to check the fill level correctly. After refilling, remove the syringe by counterclockwise rotation. To prevent the ink from leaking due to overpressure, it is recommended to end the refilling process with slight upward motion of the plunger. In case ink dripped into the cartridge ventilation hole, the cartridge can be cleaned by using a bottle inflator, a small plastic bottle with rubber cap. Remove the cartridge out of the LcBox and turn the ventilation hole of the cartridge into an upright position. Now place the bottle inflator on the ventilation hole and push air carefully in the hole. You can watch the leaking ink being pushed back into the sponge of the cartridge. For cleaning the LcBox, please rinse all parts thoroughly with warm water. It is recommended to clean the LcBox immediately after each use.